KPN Mobile Operator full review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to KPN's plans and services are in the description. Let's get straight to it. KPN is one of the largest mobile operators in the Netherlands, offering a wide range of mobile and telecom services. Known for its robust 4G and expanding 5G network, KPN provides reliable coverage across the country, including both urban and rural areas. The operator offers flexible plans including prepaid, postpaid, and data-only options. KPN also offers family plans and bundles with internet, television, and landline services for customers who prefer all-in-one packages. KPN's strengths are evident in its network coverage and overall reliability. Its 4G network provides fast speeds, and with the introduction of 5G, users can expect even faster connections and lower latency, ideal for activities like streaming and gaming. One of the biggest advantages of KPN is its nationwide coverage, even in rural or hard-to-reach areas, which is a major plus for users outside the big cities. KPN also shines when it comes to customer service. They have a reputation for providing responsive and helpful support, both online and through physical stores. For businesses, KPN offers tailored communication solutions, including cloud-based services and mobile business plans. However, there are some areas where KPN could improve. Its plans are generally more expensive compared to smaller operators in the Netherlands, such as Lebara or Simyo, making it less appealing for budget-conscious users. Additionally, KPN's international roaming options can be expensive, and there may be cheaper alternatives for those who travel frequently. Some users have reported that the 5G network is still being rolled out and may not be available in all areas yet. So, is KPN the right choice for you? If you prioritize excellent coverage, fast speeds, and top-tier customer service, KPN is a great option. However, if you're on a budget or need cheaper roaming options, you might want to consider other carriers. Be sure to check the links in the description for the latest KPN plans. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more expert insights.